In today's video, we are shopping for home decor at Burlington. So if you're interested in seeing what they have, then just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then you can hit the subscribe button below and let's get into this video. So Burlington had so many good things and for really great prices. I think the least expensive thing I saw was about $4. And so if you have a Burlington's in your area, definitely hit them up. Do you guys remember when it used to be Burlington Coat Factory? I guess they dropped the Coat Factory off the name, but they definitely still have good stuff. And of course, where did I start? If you've seen my previous shop with me, you know I'm obsessed with baskets, so I started in the basket aisle to go ahead and get that out of the way. But in this video, I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to let you guys just shop with me and see everything that Burlington has as far as home decor is concerned. And if you're interested in more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. So you guys have to let me know in the comments below if you prefer this style of video. And I just wanted to mention these lamps as an honorable mention in today's video because I thought they were so unique and so beautiful. And this elephant really reminded me of my mother because she's obsessed with elephants, and I thought it was really beautiful and colorful. Lastly, I wanted to point out a tip to you guys that if you find things in the store that are chipped or scratched, you can always ask for a discount. This is a trick that my mom has been doing since I was a little kid and I would go shopping with her, and I have used it several times in my adult life and it does work. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button below. And I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.